might be having some spaghetti soon because that's my husband and he's at the supermarket. He wanted to know what I needed, and we might be having spaghetti aglio olio. It is called
Spaghetti Aglio Olio.
That's what I'm making. Spaghetti Aglio Olio. Okay, so delicious. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chyna, and I'm glad you're here. So I was sent some knives to review. I did use them. They are shiokami, right? Shiokami knives. This is the box that it comes in. They're all individually wrapped, packaged up, and you just, take it apart, put it together. It comes with its own individual little slots, which keeps them safe during transport. It doesn't dull the knife, so it prevents that. It's pretty cool. The duller the knife, the easier it is for you to get cut. So make sure you always sharpen your knives, okay? Which is convenient because I don't even own one of these. I picked this set instead of a butcher block because I don't like a lot of stuff on my counter. So I do have a magnetic knife strip, and I might switch these out for the ones that I have. I might keep like 2 of my favorite knives up and then switch them out for these just because I really love the design of the handle. I love the color. They had an option between a lighter wood or this, and I picked this one. And I think they would look so pretty up there, so I think I'm going to switch out a few knives for this. And again, if I'm camping or grilling outdoors or whatever, especially during the summer, this will come in handy. Roll it up, keep it moving. All right, so what I'm going to do is make the spaghetti aglio olio. I'm gonna get it right. Yeah. The first thing I'm gonna do is put a pot of water to boil with some salt, heavy salted, because that's the only time the pasta is gonna have any salt in it. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna chop up this garlic. Okay, so which knife? I think I'm gonna use, this is Santoku, yeah. I'm gonna use a Santoku knife. So now you don't wanna smash the garlic because you wanna have it. Okay, I told you I've already used this. Okay. See how thin it is? That's sliced in nice and thin. So let's try the parsley. Should we try a different knife? Let's try a different knife. Let's try the chef's knife. I'm not a chef, so I just do what feels good, what feels right. But I do know how to cook, and I know how to get it nice. Oh, yeah, this is very easy. Okay. Look at that. Okay. My water is boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and add the pasta. I say that's a nice fine dice. Okay. And this is pretty thin. Yep. Perfect. Olive oil and cook the garlic. Pasta's done. We're gonna add some crushed red pepper. And spaghetti. done. Look at that. Beautiful pasta. So easy. So easy. So here's my spaghetti aglio olio. It's pretty delicious. It's so easy and so simple, and that's why I make it. But I really made it because I want to test out this knife in front of you guys to show you how sharp they cut. Let me eat some. Let me eat some. Yeah, let me eat some. Yeah. I'm not gonna eat all this. Let me get a bowl. I don't know why I'm down here. I feel like adjusting the camera. I'm going to go ahead and take some and eat it. I mean, I know how it tastes because I've made it before, so. There we go. Still low. Still down here like this. Okay, so. Good. You have to make sure that you salt your water very well. It should be tasting like the sea because that's the only salt you're going to use. That's salted water, pasta water. So this is so simple, so easy. You might as well try it. You might as well. I'm actually still cooking because I'm making some burgers, some turkey burgers. But this, pretty good. I'm fine with this. I'm going to make some vegetables because I want some. Okay, well, I think for me, aside from these knives being sharp, I love the design of the handle. And because I didn't want a butcher block, I didn't want nothing on top of my counter, this is super convenient for me. It's portable. And the Bolo bag is just keeps it like protected, you know what I mean? And it has the little sleeves in it that also help keep it protected so they won't dull out. And then it comes with a knife sharpener, which I'm surprised I don't have one, but I don't. I'm gonna tell you why I don't have one. I actually don't like the sound of it, so yeah. It's one of those things that I just don't like listening to, but I need to sharpen my knives. So yeah. Still coming. So I have the bread slicer, and I'm probably gonna do that this week. I just gotta bake some bread. I mean, I could buy, technically, I could buy a loaf of bread and slice it, but I want to bake some bread because my daughter actually likes my 16-year-old. She's 16 now. Oh my goodness. My 16-year-old, she loves the bread that I bake. That's the only bread that she eats. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come back. Okay. Well, thanks for tuning in. As always, hope this helped.